The Retro FM is the only product available on the market that is certified to be installed directly inside pressurized drain lines, waste pipes, sewage pipes, and large diameter water supply lines. The system gently provides heat to sections of the pipe exposed to cold, preventing liquids within the pipe from freezing. Retro FM easily installs inside standard 2-inch or larger non-metallic or metallic pipes, eliminating expensive excavation costs. Retro FM is commonly used in applications like homes, cabins, and cottages equipped with pressurized septic systems, as well as large diameter municipal pressurized waste and water pipes. The Retro FM system arrives job ready and includes all the necessary plumbing fittings and a power supply. The power supply includes a 20-foot long lead, allowing the installer flexibility when locating the power supply. On the plumbing side, the Retro FM is supplied with a 1-inch MIP male threaded adapter fitting and a 1-inch by 2-inch threaded reducing bushing, allowing the installer to quickly interface with 1-inch or 2-inch force main fittings. The entire system simply plugs into a 120 volt or 240 volt receptacle and is provided complete with GFCI protection as per the Canadian and national electrical codes. No extra electrical work is required. The installation of the Retro FM could not be more simple and is often completed in less than an hour. Similar to other heat line products, the Retro FM is engineered to be fully serviceable. If service to the discharge system is required for any reason, the entire Retro FM product can be removed and reinstalled with ease. Retro FM is safe, highly reliable, and exceptionally energy efficient. The Retro FM is constructed with Heatline CSA certified high-performance self-regulating heating cable, factory installed inside a potable, half-inch high-density polyethylene tube, and finished with a proprietary fusion end seal. In sewer and wastewater applications, having a heating cable in direct contact with the liquids contained in the pipe is not a safe or approved solution. The innovative Retro FM tubular design serves as a protective shield against the fluid within the pipe while delivering highly efficient freeze protection. This patented technology renders Retro FM the sole certified freeze protection system available on the market for pressurized wastewater applications. In high-pressure water supply applications, the Retro FM is able to adapt to large diameter pipes given the versatility of its male threaded adapter connection. Retro FM is certified by CSA both electrically and for drinking water potability under NSF 61. With a certified pressure rating of 230 psi, the Retro FM exceeds the highest quality standards and certifications available in North America. Unlike outdated heat tape, Heatline self-regulating heating cable technology renders the Retro FM safe to use in all metallic and non-metallic pipes, even if the pipe is dry. The self-regulating heating cable prevents no danger of overheating, making it suitable for pipes that drain back or those that are periodically dry. In addition to this, pipes can be safely insulated to further increase energy efficiency and extreme cold climate reliability. Manufactured, designed, and patented in North America, the Retro FM comes with a 5-year limited warranty with an optional 10-year extended warranty. Embrace worry-free winters with the most dependable, easily installed, and energy-efficient in-pipe heating cable system available on the market today.